Hi, I decided to use the Edmodo site because I'm pretty familiar with other sites. Hi, I decided to go with the Edmodo site because I'm familiar with a lot of the other social media that is out there. I wanted to explore something that I would be able to use within my classroom and that I feel would be safe with students. Something that I do like about this site is that it is an enclosed site where students aren't able to really get outside of it. It is private where outside people are not allowed to access the material that is on this site. So I have it set up for a second grade classroom. I've linked it to a school that I currently work at because I felt that would be helpful to be able to see if I could have the community within the Edmodo site. I like that you can type on it, so I can leave like messages like, hi, um, welcome to the class. I hope you all have a great week. And then I can decide to who I want to put it to. Well, I want to have it to the entire class, or I could have it to just parents, but I'm going to put it to everyone. So everyone that I have on the site can see it. The other thing I like is that you can manage your groups, create different groups, and you can join different groups. At the top here, so we just went over how to do the notes. You can then leave assignments for students. You can add it to gradebook. You can see lock it after it's due so then people can't um, go in and change anything. You can also do quizzes and create a quiz where they can take their quizzes right on here. You can also have it where the students can take a poll and be able to answer questions, and it'd be like a quick way to see how people are doing in the class or if they're understanding what is going on. And then there's also a snapshot where you can put into like different groups, math or ELA or things like that. I like to at the top here, you can check their progress and give them badges that they earn. And then there's also the library where you can put like different homework assignments in here, different links. I also like that you can link it to like the Google Drive. So I have mine linked to my Google address. So it shows like the different things that I have worked on with other people and things that I've saved within Google. And I like this because at the school I'm at, Google Drive is becoming a huge thing for us to work with. And it is what we are moving towards for students to use as well. So I felt this is good to have there because it shows that. And it links it together. So then on the side here, there's a store where you could buy like different little lesson plans and stuff. You have be able to manage the apps that you could buy. Here is the app launcher that you can go on to be able to see the different apps, your office online, your planner where you can plan out what's due when, how to get to it, how to edit it, and then your snapshots again. The other thing I really like is at the top here, there is the spotlight. And on here are all different like lesson plans you can do, the different apps you can put on your page. Some of them are free, some of them are not. You're able to search for like the subject areas, the grades. If your school has specific ones that they want you to use, they go under here. But I really like this because it's very similar to Teachers Pay Teachers, which is a site that I use all the time. And this would just link everything together, and I like how it brings it all together as one. I think that's very beneficial that it's all in one place. I like that it's a closed environment to use this site because I feel that that's safer for younger students because they're not really going to understand how to use a social media site. So this is a great like stepping stone for students to be able to understand. Yeah, and that's the website that I used, and I really like it, and I would probably really recommend it for other people to use as well. Thank you.